Get your free Temu wig here. If you want to learn how to get a free Temu wig, just keep watching to the end of this video. Okay, you guys, so this is a 13 by 4 Temu wig, curly Temu wig, 26 inches, you guys, that I got for absolutely $0. So while y'all hearing how you get this wig, y'all about to watch me install it really fast, really quickly. I'm using the ball cap method, everything that they gave me in the bag, you guys. Now this is Gorilla Snot that I'm going to be putting around my edges to slick it back to start my ball cap method, you guys. And don't mind my eye patches. We having a little facial moment going on, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And watch this video to the end because that's when I'm going to be sharing all the details on how to get this free wig. So now I'm hot combing the hairs just to press it down, you guys. And I did bleach the knots off camera. And now I'm going to go in with the Ghost Bond glue. I find that when I do this method is way better than spraying it with the adhesive because it always like pulls back. I don't know why, it just be peeling back. So this method is good. Just watch out for your baby hairs, girl. So as y'all can see, I'm so hyped. Like, it looks so good. The hair is so good. So now I'm gonna add the Ghost Bond glue like 3 layers to my hairline to make sure it sticks and my wig don't go nowhere, okay? Because we don't want no wig flying off because I ain't got enough glue, okay? No, that's not what we doing. If you made it to this far of this video, thanks so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here is how you get this free wig, you guys. I'm going to insert pictures so you can see exactly I really got this wig for free, okay? So how you get this wig for free, you guys, is you have to go into the app, number one, download the Temu app, right? And you have to download the Temu app. Use my code. Nah, let me stop. You don't gotta use my code. But my code is gonna be linked down below, you guys. So you could use my code for this discount off, you guys. It's not sponsored. I'm just a campus ambassador or whatever. But you guys, you have to invite 8 people. 3 existing users and 5 brand new users to this app to get this free wig. And shipping, everything is free, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.